You study for hours. You write the words. You repeat them again and again. And then, the next day, they're gone. Your brain is empty. You know you studied, but you still can't remember. Why? Are you not smart enough? Are you too old to learn? No, the problem is not you. It's how you're learning. And today, I will show you how to fix it. Forever. And at the end, a soft English song to help you remember with music. Let's change the way you learn. Starting now. Hi there, I'm Jennifer, and this is Slow and Clear English, where we learn English slowly, clearly. I'm so happy you're here. Let's begin. Your brain is smart. It forgets things to protect you. If something feels boring or useless, your brain says, we don't need this. So if you study with no emotion, no action, no story, your brain throws it away. That's not your fault. That's just how memory works. Why traditional studying fails? Memorizing long lists, repeating the same word 10 times, reading it but never using it. It feels like studying, but your brain says this is fake. No context, no purpose, no memory. And when the test is over, poof, it's gone. How to make your brain want to remember. Use emotion. Learn words in stories, in moments that feel something. Use the word immediately. Write your own sentence with it. Use visuals. Picture the word. Connect it with an image in your head. Use the word again after 1 hour, 1 day, 3 days. Say it out loud. Hear your own voice. This makes it real. These 5 things activate your brain. They make the word meaningful. And your brain says, let's keep this. Imagine this. You learn the word brave, and you use it in a real story. Yesterday I spoke English in public. I felt brave. Now that word has power. It's your story. It's your feeling. Now your brain will never forget it. You are not forgetting. You are resetting. Every time you forget a word, don't say, I failed. Say, my brain is asking for more meaning. Give it something stronger. Make the word alive, and it will stay. You are not broken. You are not bad at languages. You just need a new way to connect. And now you have it. This is how we remember. This is how we grow. If this video helped you, please show it. Like the video. Leave a comment below and tell me which part made you smile. And yes, I reply to every single comment. Always. Let's grow together. Let's talk. Let's learn. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. New lessons every week. Simple English. Real stories. Motivation. And now, let's enjoy our song. Feel it.
Sometimes I forget a word, okay, but I smile and try anyway. I say it once, I say it twice, then boom, it stays. That feels so nice. I see a cat, I shout it's cat. I won't forget a word like that. I hear her speak, I make it mine. With every step I start to shine. I laugh, I learn, I speak with joy. Mistakes, who cares, I just enjoy. I'm not a test, I'm not a grade. This is real, and I'm not afraid.